In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Drive for desktop. Keeping Drive for desktop up to date ensures better performance. The latest features and important security fixes, so it's worth a minute of your time. First, head to the official Google Drive website in your web browser. On that page, look for the option labeled Download Drive for Desktop and click it. Using the official site is important to make sure you get the authentic installer and the newest version. If you don't see the button right away, scroll a bit or check the Drive for Desktop section. It's usually prominent on the page. Once the download begins, you'll see the installer saved to your computer, typically in the Downloads folder. Now, run the installer. On Windows, open the file named Google Drive Setup. You can do this directly from your browser's download bar, or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking it. On Mac, open the file named Google Drive. DMG if you are prompted by your system to confirm that you want to open a file downloaded from the internet, choose to continue. These prompts are normal and help keep your device secure. Next, complete the installation by following the on-phase screen instructions. The installer will automatically detect any previous installation of Drive for Desktop on your machine and update it in place. That means you don't have to uninstall anything or change your sync folders. Your settings and connections are preserved. Simply proceed through the prompts until the installer reports that it's finished. Depending on your system, this may take a minute or two, and you might see a progress bar while files are being updated. After the installation completes, you may be asked to restart the application to finalize the update. If you see that prompt, go ahead and restart Drive for Desktop. This ensures all updated components load correctly. If you don't get a prompt, you are all set. Drive for Desktop should reopen automatically or continue running in the background. You've successfully updated Google Drive for Desktop using the official installer. Keeping it current helps prevent sync issues and keeps your files flowing smoothly between your computer and the cloud. If the download didn't start or you ran into a permission prompt, try running the installer as an administrator on Windows or make sure you have permission to install apps on Mac. Then repeat the same steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.